Recommended pivot table failed. A solution to this. So let's get started. Okay, here is this database with a unique identification number, date, name of the customer, region, phone and fax, and amount. I have to create a pivot table. So click on any one of the cells, go to Insert tab, then select Recommended Pivot Table option. You can see that we can't find any pivot tables for the selected data because there are too many blank cells or duplicate values or not enough numerical columns. Click OK and it will create another sheet for the same. Now go back to the sheet. If you see, according to the criteria, there is not a single cell which is blank or not a single cell which is hidden. There are exactly 100 records here. Now if you check in on the formatting, formatted as number, general, date and general. There is no problem of formatting. So what's the problem the Excel is facing about? Now let's go to our sheet 2 where we have to create a pivot table. We want the date in the row label and an amount in values. Now you can see that the Excel pivot table is creating a lots of big data. This is because that the whole data has no duplicates. The full data here with names, date and region, phone and fax and all this have not a single duplicate value. So that's why it's creating a problem to recommended Excel pivot tables. Actually the pivot table work in the following principle. If you have a region named Indonesia and it will find all the sales in an Indonesia area and then arrange it so that it creates a report. But for this time there is not a single duplicate entry here. So Excel pivot table fails. That's why. And we have came across this problem for the first time that Excel is not recognizing the pivot table. So that's why how we can create. So now normally you can get this much data here of the row labels. I can just right click and click on the group cells. Now inside the group cell I will select month and year and click OK and it is creating some small sort of report yearly wise with 2010, 11 and 12. Now inside this pivot table field option I can drag report years to the columns and you can get a small sort of pivot table ready for you. Now the most important process here is report layout and then in a tabular format so that it makes arrange a lot of properly. Next, now we have to little bit make it more looking more better. That's why we can change it some formatting as we look. If you want you can create your own formatting like I have did in this video. So you can just go here, just go in the down cells, new pivot table field style. I want report field labels format. I want it to be this color, font to be bold and the color of the cells to be white. Click OK. I want the grand total row to be like fill the same color in the bold and also with the white. Click OK, click OK. Now you have to apply that format. That's like this. I forgot something to do, so I can just right click and select modify and I have header row format. This color fill bold. Click OK. This has created the pivot table. I can select this cell and then go to the home tab and then if you need you can select this and click bold, right click, select the cells, right click, number formatting, going to a currency, selecting some formatting, click OK. This creates your pivot table. Now I want to create a chart. So instead recommended charts, now it is showing some of the charts. I'll choose a line chart, click OK. A pivot chart and your summary table is ready. If you like the more formatting something options like this, you can create something like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.